So how can you speed up a specific point in iPhone video on the Capcut? I'm going to show you exactly how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course we open up Capcut and make sure you are in your project and have the videos imported so we can work with them. And the important part is that you select the clip at the bottom like this, and all of the other toggles and features are going to appear below, and one of them is most definitely speed. So when you click on speed, you can change it up, through different ways. So we actually even have more types of speed adjustment. We have the linear approach, which has the ability to speed up the video, and apply the changes for the whole clip, meaning that if the video is 1 minute long and you adjust the speed 2 times, like you speed it up by 2x, then the video is going to be 30 seconds and twice the speed, right? So that is how you can apply the speed adjustment for the whole clip linearly. But there is also the other thing, which is curve, and that is a lot more important and a lot more useful, if you ask me. So you have a couple of different patterns already to pick with, but I almost always just go with the custom one. Tap on the thing and then tap on it again to get to this mode. And right now you have like a whole clip stretched across this yellow line, and we have these points alongside of the line. And you can decide based on the clip that, the first beginning part of the video is going to be slowed down, then it's going to be speeded up again, and then it's going to stay in the regular speed, right? So you can adjust it exactly as you want. That is the point of this whole curve thing, because, you don't apply the speed changes to the whole clip, but only to specific point in the video, right? So if you want to speed it up at the beginning, you would just dial it up right here, and then it would return back to the regular speed. So this is what the curve speed adjustment is great for. So I really hope that I can help you out. Obviously, do not forget to export your finished document to have it stored in your gallery. But that would be all. Thanks a lot, and I hope to catch you later in the future videos too.